Hey guys, so side hustles have become increasingly popular in recent times, with more and more Americans seeking ways to supplement their income. These individuals are embracing the concept of taking on additional work outside of their primary jobs to earn some extra cash. However, not everyone who desires a side hustle has an abundance of time to devote to these ventures. Between full time jobs, family obligations, and personal pursuits, time can often be in short supply. But before this video, guys, please like this video and subscribe to my channel as it keeps me motivated to create these videos for you guys. So here are the top 5 best side hustle ideas for a busy schedule. The first one is pet sitting. Pet sitting and dog walking have emerged as a lucrative opportunity for individuals seeking to earn extra income without committing excessive amounts of time. These flexible gigs allow individuals to capitalize on their love for animals while also padding their wallets. For those who work from home or have a flexible schedule, dog walking can be a convenient and enjoyable way to earn money. By dedicating just a few hours each week to walking dogs in the neighborhood, individuals can supplement their income while enjoying the company of furry companions. It's a win-win situation where both the dogs and the workers benefit from the exercise and social interaction. The second one is teach English online. If you have a limited availability of just a few hours per week and possess fluency in the English language, you may find opportunities in the field of online English teaching. Numerous online platforms offer positions to English speakers who can teach virtual classes to children residing in various countries. These platforms provide a platform for connecting teachers with eager learners, facilitating interactive and engaging language lessons. One of the key advantages of online English teaching is its flexibility. With the ability to set your own schedule, you can tailor your teaching hours to fit your availability. This makes it an ideal side gig for individuals who have other commitments or are seeking part-time work. The third one is rent out your car. If you have the luxury of working from home or own a car that spends most of its time idle, you can transform that underutilized vehicle into a lucrative side hustle by renting it out through platforms like Turo. While there are certain criteria and requirements to list your vehicle on Turo, such as age restrictions, generally not older than 12 years, meeting these standards opens up a world of potential passive income. By leveraging this sharing economy, you can generate earnings by allowing others to rent and utilize your car during periods when you don't need it. Platforms like Turo offer additional peace of mind by providing protection plans for both car owners and renters. These plans help mitigate potential risks and ensure a smooth and secure transaction process. The fourth one is flipping furniture. If you are good in furniture and have a few spare hours each week, you can tap into the lucrative world of furniture flipping to earn some additional income. Flipping furniture involves finding pieces in need of refurbishment and transforming them into stylish and desirable items. One of the best places to source these pieces is at garage sales or thrift shops, where you can often discover hidden gems at affordable prices. With a discerning eye, you can identify furniture with potential, considering factors such as quality, craftsmanship, and overall condition. Once you have acquired the furniture, the real magic begins. You can unleash your creativity by cleaning, repairing, and refinishing the pieces to breathe new life into them. This may involve techniques like repainting or adding unique decorative elements. By putting your design skills to work, you can transform outdated or neglected furniture into trendy, one-of-a-kind pieces. And the fifth one is rent out spare space on Airbnb. Owning a second home is not a prerequisite for becoming an Airbnb host. In fact, you can leverage the platform to earn extra income by renting out a spare room in your own home. While some travelers seek out entire homes or apartments, Many are perfectly content with a cozy and comfortable room to rest in during their travels. By offering a well-appointed bedroom with throughout amenities, you can attract guests looking for a convenient and affordable accommodation options. However, Airbnb hosting doesn't stop at just renting out rooms. You can also explore other opportunities to monetize unused spaces. For instance, if you have an additional parking space in a high-demand area where parking is scarce, you can capitalize on this by renting it out to drivers seeking a convenient and secure place to park their vehicles. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Guys, are you going to start a side hustle in the future? Leave your comments down below. So guys, if you like this video, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel as it keeps me motivated to create these videos for you guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.